Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on Discord. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Discord app. Once you open up it, go to the message icon and here you can see source icon, tap on it and here source that particular person to whom you want to block. For now I want to block Lisa, so simply tap on the name. Now tap on profile picture and here tap on three dot and it will give you option to block. Simply tap on block. Now you have successfully blocked a person. Now in order to check, simply tap on three dot. Now you can see that it is giving you unblock option. That it means you have successfully blocked Lisa. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.